Alrighty folks, welcome back to another video from Yates Computers Tips and Reviews. Head on over, hit the subscribe, hit the bell, then come on back, watch the video. So for this video is another one from Toomey. This one is a product I have not fully tested yet and wanted to make sure that this is actually a safe, secure product. But this is a product that they sell on many different sites. There's a lot of different brands, a lot of different styles, but this is the newest addition for USB-C and USB 3 that they have out there. That this is actually a computer tech related video. So I wanted to do a little, not really, that's an unpackaging because it's not in a box. This is the hard drive adapter to USB. So you can set up an external drive on a computer. Well, you gotta have something around, but basically just snaps in to the drive. As you can see, it's an internal case, internal mount, snaps in, plugs into your USB. This one's USB-C. I have another one here in the package, different USB port. Plug that in, your computer will recognize it as an external drive. Part of the issues with the external drives is the speeds of the USB. It'll be fairly quick. If you're trying to transfer large files, it'll take a while. But this is what you use mostly when you clone a drive or copy your data from your computer onto a new drive. Got some videos on a lot of that type of information already out there, but this is one of several different style products that are out there. If you have the older USB, most likely you will, because of the computer you have, or if you bought a new computer and you take your drive out of that computer to move over and you want to transfer your data, let's say your pictures, your other things that you have on there, odds are this will work because your newer computer will be able to provide the sufficient power to the drive. So these are some of these factors that I mentioned in the videos that people don't talk about. All the details. They tell you, go buy this adapter, plug it in, and just do this. There are a lot of factors that come involved with things like this that a lot of videos don't cover. But again, this is from a Chinese manufacturer that is pretty much unknown. It's just in a bag. I have no clue what company made this, or there's no branding on it. There's no nothing. So that's one of the things is a beware and a huge security concern, because they can put chips in there that can copy your data, that can do a lot of things, that can actually wipe your drive, that can do a lot of things that can hurt you in these. Same with USB cables. There's videos on that. I have videos on that about safety, a lot of safety factors. And again, purchasing from a company like this, I have some security concerns with. And I mentioned that in the video. But I will test these products out first before I use them in a live, true environment, before I use them on a site or anything else like that. If it's a home little lab or something like I'm doing here, playing, doing videos and doing stuff like that, transferring little stuff, yeah, I don't have anything, I don't have any banking information, I don't have anything worth worrying about. What, are they going to steal my YouTube videos? Go on over to my channel and watch them. So they're there. So here is that information that I wanted to relay. This is something that they sell on there. They sell a lot of computer products. They sell a lot of things that I have up here. Cards, mice, a lot of these products they sell there. Mics, headsets, headphones. There's a lot of reviewers out there doing reviews, giving them lousy reviews because they buy a $5 wireless headphones and say they're lousy. They have no bass. They have no treble. They have no... You bought $5 wireless headphones. And you want to compare them to a $300 Apple Beats or something. They're not the same class. You can go up to your normal corner store and pick up earbuds for $9.99 that are probably going to be the same grade as what you get from here. That's what you need to compare them to. That's why I'm doing these videos, to show these products. Because I think the site is getting a bad review. Because they're not telling you the true product. So, wanted to do some unboxings, some reviews of some simple little products that they have. Something that you might need. And again, if you're going from an older computer to a newer computer, transferring data from a drive, you see the drive I have. Goes with this. Spinning mechanical drives may not work on this. You're going to need the older fashioned one with the separate power that either plugs into the wall or comes off of the computer into the drive. Because of the voltage. It's going to need more voltage because it's spinning. It's going to have more moving parts that need power. So that is one of the factors I wanted to bring up with this. So there's a lot of things that come into play with a product. Knowing that product and knowing it and them actually telling you on the site, on the page, basically that product is only good for new SSD solid state drives, not spinning mechanical drives, because it won't provide enough power. Some drives might function, but these are designed to work with these. So I wanted to do that product and explain with that product, not necessarily from the site, but if the site does not actually list that and explain that with the product you are buying, I have found that a lot on there. That it's pretty much a buyer beware. And that's what I'm trying to explain to you out there. It's a buyer beware. You must know what you are buying. And that's why I have a hard time with a lot of these other sites that are trying to review a $2 cord or a $4 cord against, an $80 cord or an $80 tool. It's not the same. Those tools and those cords are designed in different ways. So that's what I wanted to show for this review. Let me take the other one out of the package so you can actually see. USB-C is pretty much a self-explanatory port. It's USB-C, so it's more modern. USB is not. You'll see one of the key factors in there. What color is in there? There's a key reason for that. Ports, there's a standardized color scheme for the USBs. Well, sort of. Some manufacturers use different colors that they're not really supposed to. USB blue is what you really want. That's the newest 3 ports that will provide the power that this will need. Knowing that is a huge factor that will help you. If you buy something like this and it doesn't work, doesn't have enough power, it could be your computer, could be your power supply, could be the connection, could be the type of drive you're running. So I don't want to disqualify the product because there's a lot of variables that go into the product itself. This product was designed again for basically this kind of drive to plug in and transfer data. on the proper port. So I wanted to show these and give these a fair review as the product that it actually is. Not as a data transfer cable that's running on a USB 1 that won't work. Or on a USB 2 that's actually going to run on a USB 3. Maybe I'll actually do a product testing and review on a live computer so people can actually see how that product actually works, how to transfer the data. I have them here. I can do it now. So that may be a future video that are coming up. So hit the subscribe, hit the bell, so you'll get the notification for when that video does come. Alrighty, thank you all for watching. Come on back and watch some more videos.